Introduce highlight features or overview summary of TURBRO 1.5 HP variable speed swimming pool pump. There are features include: powerful self-priming pumping. Delivers a maximum flow of 6,300 GPH and 59 feet lift head for robust water movement. Includes 1.5 and 2.0 in NPT adapters for universal compatibility with various above-ground pool pipe configurations. Energy-efficient performance. Advanced inverter technology combined with a permanent magnet motor significantly reduces operating noise and electricity costs by up to 80%. Self-priming capability provides a smooth startup and reliable suction every time. Crystal clear water. High-performance circulation system effectively filters debris such as leaves and twigs through an integrated strainer basket. Easily removable and washable design ensures hassle-free maintenance for a pristine pool environment. Intuitive control. Features an electronic screen to monitor real-time parameters at a glance. 4 adjustable speed settings and customizable schedule cycles allow you to tailor the filtration intensity to your specific needs. Safe and reliable. Certified by ETL, DOE, and CEC, constructed with fiberglass material for strength and corrosion resistance against outdoor elements, built-in overheat protection for long-term operational safety. If you want to get full features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.